I'm Linda McCarthy. I teach at Waterman Elementary School in Skaneateles. I've been here for 20-some years. Day to day, you've got the challenge of changing kids and the changing programs, and just coming up with new ideas, I think, is a challenge. And to see some kid come in here that can't do anything very well in reading or math, and to excel in the art area, I think is really, really fun. And they enjoy it. They have a great time doing it. And there's so many aspects of learning through art. And I think if you connect the art with the classroom, with a lot of their different areas, curriculum, and they're learning, but you're tricking them. They don't even know they're doing it. I like to do all different kinds of mediums with them. I like to work with different materials, paints, clay, ceramics. I like to work with pastels, and we make puppets, and just have a lot of fun. It's just something I've always thought I would do, and it never is boring. There's never a boring day, so. When you say, why do I want to do it so many years, there's never a day that's the same as the day before.